Imagine waking up and finding free crypto in your wallet. Sounds fake, right? It's not. Welcome to the world of crypto airdrops, one of the easiest ways to earn free tokens in Web3. A crypto airdrop is when a blockchain project gives away free tokens to users, no purchase needed. It's like a marketing giveaway, but in crypto. You might get airdrop tokens just for holding something, completing a task, or joining early. So why give away free money? Simple: to build hype, reward supporters, and grow fast. Projects want users, attention, and decentralization. Airdrops help them hit all three. Want in? Here's how most airdrops work. Use their app or testnet early. Complete small tasks like tweeting, referrals, or Discord activity. Or just hold a token at a certain time, known as a snapshot. The more you engage, the more points or rewards you earn, like the XOS, LayerZero, or Starknet airdrops. But be careful, there are tons of fake airdrops. If someone asks for your seed phrase, private key, or a payment, it's a scam. Real airdrops don't ask for that. So yeah, airdrops are real, and they can be life-changing if you're early. I'll be sharing legit airdrops every week, so hit that like button, subscribe, and let's grow your bag together for free.